5 years ago, I was working 60 hours a week as an architectural designer without AI experience. Today, AI gives me back 15 hours a week, and I choose how to spend that time. Do I want to spend more time with my family, to freelance and work for an extra $3,000 a month, or just work on my craft? Today, I'm going to show you the 8 tools that I use and how I use them on my daily life. Here's what my weeks used to look like. Monday through Friday, buried in construction documentation, 3D modeling, and working on red lights. Then the client changes direction, and there goes my weekend. So I started treating AI as a junior assistant. These 8 tools transform my workflow. These tools are... Hey, my name is Danny. If you're new here, I help architects and business owners understand AI in a simple way. I just want to ask a favor, and it's like if you like and subscribe to this video, because that way we can help more people understand AI. And if you're a business owner, I'm sure you will find this helpful. Let's jump into the video.
Number 1, Gemini with Nano Banana Pro. This is my command center and rendering engine. Every morning polishes my email to clients and works as my virtual assistant and strategist. 2 hours turns into 30 minutes. So here's the game changer when you're using Nano Banana Pro. You can turn like floor plans like this, or any images really, into like floor plans, like actual floor plans that are realistic. And then you can see here other example that I've tested with here. You can also turn really cool stuff in Nano Banana Pro, and it has a lot more control and it's a lot more reliable than other AIs. Do you want to use it to make presentations? That's great too. You can also do visualizations with this level of quality, and it has very good control in the fonts and the way it shows the lettering too. Do you want to do thumbnails? The same too. You see how an image like that can turn it into something like that, right? So it keeps complete control. It changes it puts your face in there. So it has a great control for just renderings and in general just image editing. So these tools for either architecture or just business in general, depending on how you use it, and if you use it for marketing, can save you up from 2 to 4 hours every week. Number 2, Claude AI for business research, due diligence, and tool creation. Give a descriptive prompt to Claude of a tool you want to create, and it will create that in minutes. I have my own AI ROI tool calculator, something that it would have taken me days in Excel. It took only an hour in Claude. So here's the thing with Claude. It's just kind of like, think about it like a ChatGPT or a Gemini, but it's very good for research and data. And it also has a very good integration with code. You can also have artifacts where if you create your own artifact, think about it as little applications here. So if you need to create a calculator or like a tracker or anything like that, you can create those tools here in a much easier way than other LLMs, and it just the UI just looks better, and you can like interact with this tool and then share it with the rest of your company or whoever you're working with. Just like Gemini or ChatGPT, you can create your custom little LLMs where you can create, like I have like a prompt generator, a YouTube generator, perfect prompt generator. So you start creating your own agents that can help you like maximize your time. Lastly, Claude Code has become a really popular app, or I'm not gonna say app, but application in Claude that you can use, and you can create completely new things in Claude. So I really recommend you start looking at Claude Code. A lot of people are using it for organization and just in their business in general. Number 3, custom AI agents, your personal assistant. Think about these new assistants as automation that can help you do your job a lot faster. So if for whatever reason you already have something that you want to automate, you can create new agents here that can help you with either image creation, due diligence analysis, data analysis. So are pretty much little like mini LLMs that can really help you automate and already create these prompts that now you already have the prompt in the back end. So you don't have to be recreating a prompt or examples every time. You can actually save these custom GPTs or gems or projects and can help you automate a lot of processes. For instance, in the backend, this is how one of them looks like. So you just give it like a name, you give it a description, you give them the instructions,
you give them potentially like some examples, and you're good to go. So next time you have your mini LLM that works really good for one specific thing.
Number 4, Midjourney for concept visualization. My workflow is start on Pinterest, save 5 to 10 reference images, use them as style references in Midjourney with image prompting.
So here's the thing that I love the most about Midjourney is that you can actually explore each image as far as in the exploration tab. And if you like something, you can click on it and you can use the prompt as a reference. You can also use the image as a reference. At the same time, once you create something, it's really good at atmospheric rendering. So I think it's one of the best tools for this. You can also edit it. You can bring any image you want to, and you can also upload any image that you want for you to edit it. And it's great because you also have organizers that you can organize all the images in a library here and start organizing them the way you want to. Lastly, you can also create a mood board. If you want a specific style, you can start training. It's kind of like a mini LLM where you can start training that like style. So whenever you want to do a specific image of something, that style is already trained and you can keep things consistent.
Number 5, D5 Render with AI Enhancements, real-time rendering engine that connects to ArchiCAD, Revit, and SketchUp, and it contains AI features such as PVR material snap, AI landscaping, style transfer, and many others.
So here's a quick demonstration of what you can do with D5. So once you have the 3D model here, you can come to the AI post-processing and start generating some really cool images based on prompt, right? Like based on references. If you want to stylize it, right, to different things. And then you can actually put those in Photoshop if you want to overlay them and create your own style. But that's super useful. And at the same time, you also have other AI tools that you can use here. You have an integrated AI agent here that you can tell it to, hey, I want to put plants. I want to put like a plant schedule in place. I want to have like seasonal flower beds, and you can kind of select areas and it will help you automate any landscape that you need. One of the other ones that I really like to use is the AI atmosphere match. So you can kind of come here, snap current view, or at the same time bring another image that you really like, and it will start transferring the atmosphere to the building.
Number 6, Genspark for automated presentations. Give it content and audience. It generates full slides deck with visuals and layouts. Planning commission presentations, uploaded content 5 minutes later, 15 slices, 30 minutes customizing.
Here's a really good example of Genspark working. So these are our slices that I create. I told Genspark that I wanted a presentation about discovering AI for architects. And the great thing is that after it creates a presentation, you can actually edit it. You can actually fact check the content. You can actually AI edit. So you can fix the layout, polish the context, mark and edit. And you can do advanced edit, which you can go inside each slide and change the text, change the images, and actually move any text in the direction that you want. So you have as much control as needed, even though you have the help of AI helping you creating the slides. And you have very good graphics. So look at the graphics here that you can obtain from Genspark. And at the same time, you can tell it to give it a style of slices that you want, and it will match those.
Number 7, Kling AI for animations. Upload renderings, prompt camera pushes in, people walking, trees moving, warm light, 2 minutes, 10 seconds animation, high control over camera movements and timing.
Okay, so here's a with Kling AI, the thing is that you can create these amazing animations starting with a frame and an end frame, right? And you can even just start with just the start frame and it will create these animations for you. But the more control you want to have is when you have both the start frame and the end frame. But you can see for architecture, it's great. You can kind of give it different, you can tell it to kind of move the camera different ways. You can also use it for marketing. So I was able to kind of bring Saha, which is a famous architect, and kind of give it like a script, and it can actually now talk that. It can actually express emotions. So that's great also for marketing. You can also have it to style things here like that. And then you have floor plans. You can kind of animate floor plans, animate drawings, animate pretty much almost anything you want to. This was a photograph, so I was able to animate that too. And then here you can change the ratio and animate these kind of buildings too. So animation-wise, Kling is the best one out there.
Number 8, Fireflies AI for meeting notes.
Okay, so the last one here is Fireflies AI. And this was after a workshop, and you can see how I get the transcript here. And the great thing is, like, if you're actually paying for a subscription, the Firefly will actually send you a transcript and it will send you a recording. And at the same time, you can leverage ChatGPT or an LLM inside Firefly to start giving you summaries and start writing meeting notes for you. And then you can automate that, copy paste that into your template, and that's how you have it. Then you do a minor edit and you can send that to the client. So you're not spending more than 20 minutes creating meeting notes and summaries to send it to a client. And everything is saved in the cloud here, so you always have it for your records, or you can print it or have automations with Slack, Notion, or Google Docs.
Subscribe for more practical AI systems. No hype, just implementation. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.